Hi guys, it's Wanda and this is Crazy Days. I'm in my Canon storage room. This is not the Canon kitchen, this is a storage room, and it's became a little more than that over the last week since we've had some really cold weather. As you can see, Danny's plants. He brought them in here, he had them in the greenhouse at the barn, and because we got down below 20, we got down to 16 a couple of times, he brought them in here because the warmth from the refrigerator and the freezers is keeping his plants going, and they look awesome. I'm going to switch the light out and show you what else is going on in the Canon storage room. Alright, these shelves filled up really quickly, as you can see. Our countertops came in, and these are the two side pieces that go on them. So we stored them here because we do not want these pieces to get broken off. So that's what the countertop is going to look like. Of course, Danny's plants. We have some squash that are doing pretty good. A whole bunch of the tomatoes are up, but none of the peppers yet. Not only did we get our countertop, we got our stove in. This stove I was highly pleased with. I was a little skeptical when I ordered it. I ordered this from Amazon, and anytime you order from Amazon, you can always be a little skeptical. It is called a Deli-Kit, and it is a 34-inch stove. I wanted plenty of room because you can get those 4 burners all together like that, but I knew Canon, I needed something bigger. I kept looking till I found one that had this big burner on this side so that I can put my big Canon pot on here and still have 4 burners to use for whatever I need over here. Now, this piece I took off sits on top of any of the burners to give it a lift if you need it up off the fire here a little more. It'll fit all 5 burners. But this one, people asked, was $248 on Amazon. I'm going to try and put a link in the description below. It's cast iron on stainless. It has its knobs at the front. We're just going to try it, see how it does. And I wanted something that had a lot of these little legs here. There was several of them that had about 4 legs, which would work, but I wanted more stability. So I found one that had a bunch of little legs on the top. This is a gas cooktop, 5 burner, 34 inches, and I think it should do what we need it to do in the outdoor kitchen. The sink is a Friho, F-R-I-H-O, also from Amazon. Again, kind of leery of ordering from Amazon, but I saved money on Amazon and got my rewards points too by ordering through Amazon and not Home Depot. I probably saved between everything I ordered $100 to $150 by going through Amazon. This sink is 33 by 22 and 10 inches deep. With all my big pots, I needed a deep sink. This rack here comes out, so it is a rack that you can put in there and let the dirt wash out. I love that. You have this rack that comes in there. All the equipment you need to hook it up, the drain, all that is here, and a cutting board. It's stainless, it drops in, and it'll fit to right here. It'll be a drop in. I think we'll be pleased. The sink was $259, and all the accessories came with it. This is the faucet. It is from Kingo, K-I-N-G-O, also from Amazon. It is a commercial lead-free faucet with the farmhouse pull down. As you can see here, this comes out, makes it easier for me to spray off big pots. That's what I was looking for, something that would work with big pots. Has a lever here. This one was $53.99. Not a bad deal for all I got from Amazon. So when I said I was going to be doing videos in the Canon kitchen, I didn't know I'd be in the storeroom as much as I am right now, but the storeroom is where we're going to be keeping things until we get them into the Canon kitchen. We've got to build cabinets. So the Canon storage room is somewhere that we're going to be storing things until we can get the cabinets built, things like that. I have a pull-out garbage can coming. It will be under the countertop in the cabinet. That way we don't have just a garbage can sitting out. You pull it out, put your garbage in, slide it back in. That will be here within a week. And then Danny can start cabinets. We're kind of waiting on the weather also. And guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit about my appliances, why I got them, and the thought behind what we did for the Cannon kitchen. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.